Hello my dear friends. In the previous tutorial we learned how to customize and manage ribbon and quick access toolbar. Today we will start from model and layout. Before we start, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Down here we have a few layouts, a few tabs, model and layouts. You can add or subtract this layout. You can add simply by clicking this plus sign. If you want to subtract, you can right click on this layout, on the layout, then go to delete and delete that layout. Model is used for your drawing. You can draw your own project or whatever you want. After your drawing is done, you have to print it out. To print out your drawing, you have to go to layout. Layout is your virtual paper. You can design your own paper and then print it out. But today I'm not going to dive very deep in this topic because I will explain it later under the title of how you can print your drawing. Just to show you an example, here I have a project. You see here in the model I have drafted my floor plans. To print out, I go to layout. In the layout I have designed my paper sheet. You see at the moment this is A1. If you want to print it, let's see how it looks. Preview. You see everything looks as I designed it. This is my A1 paper. If I print it out, down here you have your title block. You know, in the industry is used different title blocks. You can have your own title block. You have to fill it out. Well, I will explain everything later. At the moment, I want to close it. No. Then, at the middle, we have here command bar. Command bar is used for instructing and guiding us when we are drawing. For example, I want to draw an arc using start, center, and end point. Pay attention, at the moment here is nothing in the command bar. When I choose this command, it says arc, then specify start point, or in the bracket it says enter, center. Arc, it means at the moment I am using arc command. Then it says specify start point. For example, I want to, or you can choose center, but at the moment I want to specify the start point. For example, start point should be here. Then it says specify center point. I want the center point to be here. Then it says specify end point. You can specify the end point, or in the bracket it says hold Control to switch direction. If you hold the Control key on your keyboard, it will change the direction of your arc. You see, when I hold it, it changed the direction, and I want the second point to be here. In the right, if you click on this upward arrow, it shows all of the command that you used in your command bar. It is the history of your command bar. In the left, if you click on this wrench icon, it will open the setting window for this command bar. Input setting, all of these settings is let me explain this. Input settings, it says autocomplete, autocorrect. When you are giving a command in this command bar, for example, I want to use line command. I type L. When I type L, a suggestion window appear here. It sorts all of the command starting with L. If you turn off the settings, that dialog window or suggestion window will not appear. Down here it says delay time. Delay time, it says that after how much time that suggestion window should appear. For example, if I type L right now, after 1 second this window appear here. If I change the delay time, let's go to input setting and delay time. At the moment it's 300. I want to change it to, for example, 5000. Click. Right now type L. You see after 4 to 5 seconds that suggestion window will appear. You see, I want to change it back to 300, or you can make it even 0. 300. Sometimes it happens that we mistakenly close this command bar. How we can retrieve or bring it back? You see, I have closed it. You can bring back simply by clicking on Ctrl+9 at the same time on your keyboard. Ctrl+9. Down here we have options. If I click on this option, it will open this option window. You can come to this one option window in a lot of ways. If you click on this menu bar, down here you have option. If you right click on this drawing window, down here we have options. If you right click in this common window as well, it will open. Down here we have options. Let's go to option. In the option, I will explain the only very important settings, because there's a lot of settings and most of them we don't need. In the file, here we have nothing important. Let's go to display. Down here, color theme. You can change that color theme here. At the moment it is light. We have only two options, dark or light. I want to change it to dark. Apply and okay. You see I changed the color theme of my user interface. Display scroll bars in drawing window. You see here we have a scroll bar in drawing window. You can go down, up, and also you have a drawing window here. At the moment it's under the command bar. Options. If you turn it off, apply, and okay, you see there is no scroll bar. Use large button for toolbars and resize ribbon icon to standard size. These two are used for resizing these icons, but this buttons, but these are not. This two settings is not working in Windows 10. Unfortunately, I have Windows 10. Show toolbar, show tooltips. You see, this is very important for beginners. Let me show you. When you are hovering your cursor on any tools, for example, I'm hovering on circle, a dialog box appears, and if you turn it off, that dialog box will not appear. You see? It's not appearing. Let's go back and turn it on. Down here, number of seconds before display. After how much time that dialog box should display. Show extended tooltips. You see after the dialog box or tooltip appear, after 1 or 2 seconds, the dialog box extend. You can change the time of that extended dialog tooltips from here. You see? I think I didn't save the settings. Yeah, show tooltips, apply. Okay, when you hover your cursor on, let's go to line. Tooltips, then it is extending after 2 seconds. You can change it here. Display file tabs. You see start and drawing, these two tabs. If you don't want these two tabs, you can turn it off from here. Apply and okay. If you want to bring them back, you go here, display file tabs. You see. Then option and color. This color is for your drawing window and what element you have. You can change all of the element. You can change that drawing window and 2D model space. You can change the color of your layout sheets. Switch. You can 3D user interface as well. Let's go to 2D model. Then here you have the element that you should change. You can change the color. If you want to change the background of this drawing window, at the moment it is white. For example, I want to change it to blue. Apply and okay. You see, I changed the drawing window, the drawing window background. Back to color. I want it to be white. Back to colors. Crosshairs. What is crosshairs? Let me show you crosshairs. You can see my cursor, Windows 1. Unfortunately, I think I have deleted my program to write on my screen. You see this, my cursor. This is my crosshair. In AutoCAD, it's called crosshair. You can change the color. You see, black. I want to change it to red, for example. Apply, and OK. You see, my crosshair changed to red. There is a lot of elements. You can change the color of your crosshair. Viewport control. This is your viewport. You can, for example, I want to change it to yellow. You see here you have as well. Not yellow. Let's choose another color. For example, I want it to be this blue. Apply and OK. Apply. Okay, you see the viewport color has changed. Colors, you can change all of this. After, if you change everything and you make a huge mess, then you cannot restore all of them in their initial initial colors. You can restore or reset from here. For example, I want to restore it. Reset, apply, and OK. On default, when I installed this Windows, the background color of this Windows was black. Then I changed it to white. I like it to be in the white color. Apply and OK. Fonts. You can change the command line Windows font. You can change the font. You can choose which style you want, and also you can change the size. As well, down here you can delete these tabs, model and layout tabs. For example, I want to remove them. You see, I have removed options, and I want to bring them back. Also, you can change display printable area and so on in the layout. And what other thing is important? Your crosshair size. You can change your crosshair size here. For example, I want to make it to 100. Apply. Okay. Some engineers like this their crosshairs to be this 100, but I don't like it. On default, the crosshair size 5 is okay. You see? Let's go to option and save. Save as AutoCAD 2018 drawing. It is very important. Sometimes it happens that you're working in a big company and there are maybe more than 10 to 12 engineers. You're working on one project. One of you have AutoCAD 2017. One of you have AutoCAD 2014. Your friend, another friend of you have AutoCAD 2021, or you have AutoCAD 2021. When you are saving your file, your friend cannot open your DWG file. If you want them, when you are, you can save your file as AutoCAD 2000, for example, 13, 18, or even 2007. I can save. When I want to send it to my friend who has an AutoCAD 2007, I come here, options. I change it to save as AutoCAD 2007. Then I go here. When I go to save as, you see here is automatically you are saving your file as file in AutoCAD 2007. Then your friend will be able to open your file and edit or whatever he wants to do with that file. Well, let's this one to be in AutoCAD 2018. 13, 10. Where's AutoCAD 2007? 2018. I cannot find it. 2004. Yeah, here. Apply and okay. Options. Right now, my friends who has AutoCAD 2018 will be able to open my files and my drawings. Down here, file safety precaution, automatic save. After 10 minutes, it says that after every 10 minutes, your AutoCAD file will be automatically saved. It happens sometimes that you are working on a big project. You are working for 4 hours, 5 hours, and then your file get closed. You will lose everything you have done. But if you come here and make it every 10 minutes, you will just lose the last 10 minutes of your work. You can change the automatic save from here, automatic save time. Then number of recently used files. Here you see in the start. In the middle we have recent documents. How many documents should be displayed here of your recent documents? You can choose the number of these documents from here. 9, 10, or how much do you want? Then let's go to plot and publish. I think it's enough for today, because if we make a very long video, it will be boring for you as well. We will continue in the next tutorial. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.